Today, we decided we're not going to have a moving sale. It's just not worth our time or our energy at this point to orchestrate it. We really didn't end up having that much anyway, as we generally declutter often in our lives, and as we're about to move, we're looking around thinking we're pretty decluttered at this point, and it's about time to start packing. The very first thing I started doing when I found out that we would be moving is I emptied and cleared out half of the garage. That way we could start staging things that we didn't want, whether it's giveaway, donate, trash, recycle, you name it. There's a long form video on my YouTube called Organize with Me, Staging the Garage for a Move, where you can watch me make decisions and how I was able to clear out half of the garage. The stuff I'm loading here is all the things that we no longer need. I'm going to put them at the end of the driveway with a backup plan to take stuff to the scrap metal yard or just do trash. I tried to clean up everything and leave little notes on them so people know that the vacuum cleaner is clean and it works. And then I'll put up a big free sign, and hopefully it'll all go by today or tomorrow. If you're debating whether you want to take time to sell something, I think having a price point is really important. I'm usually more interested in selling something that's maybe $50 to over $100. So we do have a couple items that we are going to try to list on Facebook Marketplace. All of my short form moving tips will be on my YouTube moving playlist. Now let's clear it all out.